Some percentage on the earning of this video will be dedicated to charity and donation. Your contribution is required to maximize it.
Hello our friends, welcome to our channel, and today's our topic is how we can make the check mark in Excel. We have given the task and we need to find the status, and before that we need to filling the all tasks like paying bill and groceries, bake cake and call to father. Then we need to write wash car, doctor appointment. We can write as per own needs, and just need to correction. And here I write the tuition fee, then I write the insurance premium, then book buy, and then last university assignments, and just need to correct it, and MENT assignments. Now we what we need to do, we need to use, after selecting all the tasks, to use the two columns. First write here capital P and then write here capital O just to get the values. Now select all the task column and go here in the data, and in the data validation press here. Now you can see we need to select the list, and in the list we need to write in the source our P and capital O. We get the value and press here OK. So our data validation function also implemented here. Now hide it, and if I just go here and drop down, so it allows me to write the value or write the option from the given. Now what we have to do, select the whole column, and we need to go here in the home tab, and in the font we need to change to the in the last one, which is vending 2. So we got the values here. Now we need to make it bold. Now what we need, like if we got the correct, so we got the green, or we need to get the green color, and for across we need to get the red. So how we can get, we go here in the conditional formatting, and where we will find the conditional formatting, we will find the option in the home tab. First you need to select the whole column and go here in the conditional formatting, click here, and in this we need to go here in the new rule, select here, and here we need to write or select format only cells, and in it we need to write equals to. Now here we write equals to inverted comma P inverted comma close, and in the format, go here in the font tab. We can see different font tabs, but we need to select the font, and in the font here you can see the reflection, so we need to write here the color green, so you can see now it's reflection. OK, and then press OK, so it reflects green. Again we select the whole column and go here in the conditional formatting, select the new rule, format only cell that contain exactly or equal to inverted comma capital O for cross, and inverted comma close. Again we need to go here in the format, in the font, and we need to select the red color and OK, and again we need to write here OK. So you can see here, if I write or if I tick mark for correct, so it gives me in green, and if I cross it, so it gives me in red color. This is the beauty of the conditional formatting, and we can use here in different tasks in schools or in different project Salva. This is all we have done in our example.